In this video, I will show you how to find caves in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is just basically explore the world. Now, one thing to bear in mind when you're actually looking for caves is that the rock formation actually looks very similar on all the caves. So you can see over here, there's actually two caves and you can see they're very similar. The only difference is one has these kind of trees and foliage growing out of it, whereas the other one doesn't have as much growing out of it. But you can see from a top-down view that the rock formations are practically identical. Now, I am in the dry valley, but this is the same for if you're in the winterlands or the grass plains. So you just want to look around basically, and once you've actually discovered caves, if you're doing this in survival mode, when you open up your map, the icon for the cave will be added to your map. Because I'm in sandbox mode, this is not going to appear. However, what you can then do is just enter the cave by finding the entrance and pressing the button to interact with the cave and enter the cave. So that is how to go ahead and find caves in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.